Shares of Apple down today following the announcement of plans for two top executives to retire. There has been a wave of departures at the iPhone maker. Let's go to Hatem Dhiab on this, managing partner, Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management. Thanks for joining us today.
Hey, thank you for having me.
Let's start with Kate Adams, General Counsel, retiring. Is that significant for Apple at all?
I don't think so. I think it's just the change of the guard. I think Apple is really had all these executives for, since basically Steve Jobs was alive 15, 20 years. And I think the management is a bit stale. And the reality is there is a new talent, new talent pool that they need to draw from. And a lot of these people also have been there for a long time and they're ready to move on.
Lisa Jackson, Environment and Social Initiatives, also leaving. She was overseeing, I guess, diversity. And in the current U.S. climate, it's not a surprise she's leaving.
Yeah, I think that's happened across all of corporate America. The DEI initiatives are just not in vogue right now. So you're seeing that across the board. And for obvious reason, right? Like cut costs and really focus on what needs to be done versus what society wants you to do.
Yeah, it seems what needs to be done for AI, or many are saying, is AI, a strategy around AI. The head of AI also leaving the company. Is that because of the criticism?
I think actually that's the most notable position. Actually, the head of Siri or AI is really the most important job at Apple right now. And obviously, Apple has been lagging tremendously behind all of the other players, and it was not a surprise to anybody for him to leave. He's been there since 2018. He's also turned 60 years old, and he just hasn't really found his footing. And I think having some brand new talent, Amar, the new head of AI or at least Siri, will be coming in from Google, spent there 16 years, became the head of engineering at DeepMind. So I think that's a huge upgrade and shows how focused Apple is on really making Siri work.
Okay, so why do you think Apple has struggled in the AI venue? Is it just a lack of sort of focus or design by the team it had? Or, I mean, why have they fallen so behind others in this venue?
It's a good question. I think one is a lack of cohesive strategy. Like, we never knew what Apple was going to do. Were they going to build their own foundational model? Were they going to just build models that lived on the iPhone? Apple obviously is known for its privacy, so building a foundational model means that they may have to give up some of their privacy strategies. So I think that lack of, like, what are we going to do was problematic. Initially, the fact that they did not have their foundational model was positive because they didn't have to spend all this money building all these data centers and so forth. But now we realize that maybe they needed to do something on that front. But it looks like what they chose right now, and this is probably why they hired Amar, is they will be partnering up with Gemini and Google to use their foundational model or their large model, and then build the smaller models on the iPhone for more private AI conversations.
I was going to say, so how do you think this will work? Tell me more about what Amar brings to the team.
Being a head of engineering at DeepMind comes with a lot of technical expertise. I think the reality is they need to combine both privacy and usability, right? When you talk to Siri right now, Siri asks you if you want to go to ChatGPT to get answers. That just doesn't work. So I think what Amar is going to bring in is a seamless operation around Siri, and how they can really combine that with Gemini's abilities to really build this really powerful AI. So I think Amar will bring that relationship between Google and Apple into a new level, basically.
Got it. Hatem, I got to leave it there with you, but thank you for joining us on The Close. Appreciate that.